Bill McRae here. It was about 10 years ago I came out with a product called Marketing on the Fringe, which basically was teaching people how to blog to generate traffic for whatever their purpose might be. And even today, as a matter of fact, probably more so today than ever, blogging is still one of the best ways to generate traffic. If you just throw up a standard website where not much happens, but you got a website, you're not going to get any traffic. But with blogging, it does a whole lot of different things for you. It can help you drive traffic to whatever website you have. And so I'm going to do a series of videos in a playlist about blogging and what's working in 2019, 10 years after we did the blogging, what we called Marketing on the Fringe, and we came out with a product called Matt's Fast Profits, which is a blogging software. Those techniques we were doing then don't really work so much anymore, so we want to talk about what does work. One of the key things we're going to talk about is how to integrate your marketing, how to create a total integrated marketing, kind of a triangle-shaped marketing plan where you're taking your social media marketing and your blog content marketing and your video marketing and pulling it together in a triangle that can actually generate tons of traffic for you if you stay dedicated and you stay focused and you do the work. And we're going to have some productivity tools and things to help you along the way, but blogging is still one of the best ways to generate traffic. Now, is it going to make you a ton of money day one? No, you have to dedicate some time and effort, and you got to create unique content. It used to be you could put up a piece of software and it would scrape content, whether it be WP Robot or MPP or whatever program there was. It would scrape content from other websites, post on your website, and you drive all this traffic to your site. That was basically the same content that's seen 50 other places. It was nothing unique. It didn't say anything to anybody. It was just like somebody finds you because you know how to outthink the search engines. Can't do that anymore. It just does not work. Then we were able to, for a little while, say, okay, so that's not working so well. We're going to post it to social media, and we were able to drive traffic that way. And that didn't work so well. So you kept trying to outthink the search engine. The best way to do this is not try to outthink search engines at all. Understand how they work and provide unique content. And we got some really great tools that will allow you to make unique content very quickly. And that's part of what we're going to teach you in this video series. If you can create unique content to your blog and then integrate it with the social media sites and make it all work together and create a cohesive message that's uniquely yours and reflects your voice, you can generate more traffic today than ever with the blog. And then what you do with that traffic is you either generate leads from it, you sell affiliate products, or you build your brand. In the case of a business, that's what you're doing, is you're building your business brand or your product brand. So stay tuned, and we're going to have a whole new YouTube channel called Blogging for Traffic, and we'll have a bunch of videos to show you how to do all this stuff.